We're trying to be cool. We're gonna do a middle split. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Being cool and with it is the name of the game, I think. But we haven't brushed our hair in a week. Hey guys, I'm Dee. It stands for dorky. And today we're going to be redoing my wall. So basically, I've been redoing my bedroom for about, I think, a year and a half now. Just like making small changes. I'm not like a rich girl or rich by any means. So like changing things up takes gradual progressions, okay? It's not like, ooh, we're going to Target and buying everything that is chic at this point in time. Though I've known people who do that, and I think that's interesting. No shame, no shame, but I am definitely the person that's like, okay, we're going to handpick this, we're going to handpick this, and we're going to love it and long for it, and then hopefully save up for it and buy it eventually one day. And it just takes time, you know? So basically with this wall, I have been working on it for about I want to say 8 months, because of the fact that I didn't know what I wanted to put on it. I do have a lot of art, but also I really fell in love with this print by, and I know I'm gonna butcher her name, but it's Emily Balivet. My cat is going crazy. My cat was underneath the bed and he's a kind of a chunky boy, so it took him a while to get out. Anyways, so Emily Balivet, her link will be down below. I found her off Etsy, and her prints, her art, everything is so gorgeous. She has different ways of like printing out her medium, so you could even get it on canvas. It is pricey, but the colors are so rich and beautiful. I actually got a print of hers, and I believe it's called Strength. Let me verify that. So I fell in love with an art piece of hers called Strength Tarot Art, and I just thought it was so beautiful. I want to say I've loved it for like at least 2 to 3 years, and I knew the kind of vibe I wanted within this room, and it wasn't like very rich like this print is. So in my head I was like, I don't know if I should get it. I don't know. It's kind of pricey in the size that I wanted in. So I kind of just put it on the back burner, and I didn't know exactly what I wanted to do with this wall. So I focused on other wall spaces in my room, but I knew this was the wall that I was going to look at the most because my bed is pointed to it. So to me, at the end of the day, I saved up the money and I went ahead and purchased this art piece. So then I fell in love with this other art piece. Basically, I saw it on one of my friend's Instagrams, Artwithjaggedteeth, I believe is her Instagram name. I know her as someone else, her actual name. Anyways, I'll leave her link down below, but she introduced me to this guy named Guy. I think that's how you say his name. I could be wrong. He has his own website. I'll link it down below. His prints are kind of high-end, but also so beautiful. And he actually has a tarot card deck that is just worth longing for, honestly. It's so gorgeous. So if you're into that sort of stuff, start counting your pennies because oh my god, so gorgeous. So I bought one of his prints called DATURA. Let me make sure I'm saying that right.
DATURA.
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 DATURA. So I think I went ahead because I really didn't do Black Friday this past year. I went ahead and bought both of those prints, and I think they both had a semi-sale. I think maybe around 10% off each, like not a bunch, but enough that I was like, okay, let's pull the trigger. So with this wall, I had, like I said, a lot of other artwork that I've probably should have put up, but also I wanted it to be striking and I don't know, something different. I've had a lot of the artworks up on my wall for a long time, and I just decided in the end, and here's the thing, I was going to try to fit in other things, but in the end I went with those two being like the only thing pretty much on the walls. I did put another art piece up, but we'll talk about that later. So basically, because I was holding on to this art for a while, and I do tend to be a procrastinator just because I don't really move fast. That isn't like my thing. I don't just speed run stuff very often. Sometimes I get hype and I'm like, let's do everything in the world, and then 2 minutes later I'm sleeping or taking a nap. So with this art, it kind of just stayed there. A lot of things has happened in my life. I went looking for like frames back in November, and here's the thing, here's the big thing. I do tend to like collect all the things that needs to be in the project, but I kind of don't actually work on it until like I'm mentally prepared. Honestly, this wall for like months has looked like crap. In this footage, I cleaned up the wall a little bit. I took everything down, but really I just had it looking a mess. I just plopped things up there. I literally taped stuff within plastic to keep it like from folding or anything terrible happening to it. And it wasn't pretty, okay? So what I'm showing you is a nice clean canvas, okay? Obviously there's going to be a lot of measuring when it comes to making a sort of gallery wall, and that's where I started. I just kind of wanted it to be, I don't know, a little bit more grown up and a little bit more precise than I've ever had my walls prior. So I did take the measuring tape and kind of try to make everything look and feel unified. The first night, this is how it ended up. There's a couple of things I don't like about it, and there's a lot I do like about it. Here is the wall in the morning with that morning light. I do want to move the hand over. I need it to be kind of symmetrical. It's bothering the crap out of me because I wasn't going to put the hand there. I was going to put another shelf above it and put little knickknacks to complement the door, so I felt like it needed to be closer to the door. But now that it's just like kind of a standalone piece, I want it moved. I need it moved. Which is annoying because I have to basically patch up that piece that I put there already, like the holes, and then I have to move it and remeasure everything. I'll probably have to move like a bunch of these art pieces down too because I don't want to break anything. Yep. On this side here, I was going to put 2 more shelves here and put some knickknacks there. Hopefully that looks good, but I don't know. It might be too far away in comparison to what is going on over here. So hopefully we'll get to that as well. Okay, here is the finished wall basically. This area I left open on purpose so that I can add something to it if I find something. Also, this area I left open on purpose in case I wanted to put something there if I saw something perfect for it. Either I can put like one sideways thing or like multiple small things. I even thought of doing like a inspiration board there, but I don't know. This hand, this one I had to move and adjust, and that was annoying. but I did it and it looks so much better. I love how it turned out. It's super freaking cute. I'm like shocked by how cute it is. In this area, I'm hoping that I can find something red. Here we go. This is a hand I got last Halloween, I think. And it's super cute. It holds a little lighty right there. But I also have another hand over here. That is not done, okay? That's a DIY. That is going to get done soon, hopefully. But I really didn't try for that like overall hand motif. It just kind of happened. So hopefully I'll find something different for this spot, like not a hand. That would be nice. My mom was like, you should get a foot. I was like, okay, we'll see what they have in the future of my life to see what I can put there. But overall, I love it. I love it so much. This artist is amazing. The prints are kind of expensive, but so worth it. So rich in color. Love it so much. I just love how delicate and beautiful it is. But I'll link them down below. This artist as well. Oh my god, just so gorgeous. I love it. I love the lion. I love the colors of it. It's so beautiful. I will link this piece down below as well. I got it from Etsy. This one, he has his own site. This piece I actually got from Hobby Lobby. It is just this great pink door. I love doors. I love like the thought process of a door, and I've been looking literally for a piece like this for like a year now to put on this wall. Like I knew I wanted one like this, okay? And then I literally went to Hobby Lobby like a couple of weeks ago, and I found it, and it gave me like this inspiration to finally finish this wall, and I'm so excited that it's done. So this was the final piece where it was like, yep, it's ready, everything needs to go up. So it's lovely soft pink, and it actually has like a lion knocker. So super gorgeous. I got it half price too, so super happy about that. So, and I guess I should talk about this calendar, because I was supposed to do a calendar haul. I need to change it, it's June now, but this calendar is gorgeous. I'll link the artist down below, but obviously it's a calendar, so they no longer have this out. I actually filmed a calendar haul because I do that every year. I don't know if my 2019 one or 2021 is still up, but I did one for 2021, which was this one, and another one, and this is just so gorgeous. It's so rich. It has like cool punk rock indie Zodiac girls with like pop culture references all over it. I love it so much. But I didn't actually post that video because my life was falling apart. Fun. Let's talk about this real quick. So here's another hand. My mom was like, put that hand up there. But this area is really cute as well. It has my lucky bamboo, which I've had for a long time, up. And also, like, my father gave me this turtle. I don't like it at all, but I put it there. And this is just like weird random stuff. When I went to my father's funeral, I took a jacket because it was cold, and I had to take off all my buttons off of my jacket. So it has all my jacket buttons, so I need to put those back on. But that's me. Hi, me. This lamp, I will link the artist down below as well. Super nice guy, honestly, really nice. And then we DIY'd this, as you all know. That should come out first before the wall art. Finished. is my wall at nighttime. You can see my Lament configuration lamp all lit up. It's super cute. I really like it. Good purchase. And then I have a LED flickering candle in my hand, which is super cute. Really love that. I think it looks really nice with all lightings, like in the daytime with natural light, with the nighttime glow, and all my little light sources, and also with my like lamps. And sometimes this is annoying, the lamps get reflected on the glass frames, but also like that's to be expected. I really like all the hands, honestly. I wish I didn't, because I do find it redundant. Oh, I'm having some issues breathing today. I'm so sorry. All in all, I really like how the wall came out. It's so, I don't know, girly yet like empowering, but also clean and organized. I kind of have this idea in my head of just having everything kind of in its spot so I don't buy more things. I did leave some spots obviously open for further growth, but I really just want to stop trying to like push more things into my spaces. So I don't know, this room is so close to being completed, and I'm so excited and happy for that. You'll be seeing a linen closet makeover kind of thing. Well, it is a closet makeover into a linen closet makeover, so hopefully that comes out pretty soon as well. And then we're gonna start working on my office. So I'm just really happy that this kind of is coming to a sort of spot where I'm kind of done with this room. Again, I'm leaving some spaces for further growth, but like it's been about 2 to 3 years of just kind of thinking about making this room my fortress of solitude, and to have it almost complete is just, it's really nice, honestly. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, subscribe. If you can't stand me, let me know down below, because you know, engagement. So I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.